Okay, for the paychecks that you're not going to pay your bills with, obviously you're not going to pay anything, so you're going to put your net income minus 0. So that is what you're going to have after your bills, which is 0. So you're going to change this for every paychecks before the last paycheck of the month. So I'm going to do that now. So now it comes to the saving part. So you have $75 left and you want to start putting in your savings. So you look at your numbers and you say, okay, let's make it even. Of course, you're not going to, slave yourself into paying your bills the rest of your life. You're, of course, going to have wants, and you're going to have to make a couple of trips to Target and get the things that you want, So what I'm going to do here is rationalize it. Say I have $70 left after my bills. What am I going to do with the money? So usually I will put a greater amount into my savings. So if it's me, I would put $70 in my savings after all of my bills are paid off. So that one, this savings, I will add in $70. This one, I'll say $60. And you're going to have to look at your numbers to see how much you can add in your savings. So of course, I'm going to do 70 and 60. So now that you have your money in your savings and you're being responsible, you get the extra left over to treat yourself, which is where I add in this credit card column. So here, after putting in my savings, I have $5 left to treat myself. So now you set a limit for yourself to buy something. So you have $5 to spend and you have these many credit cards. So you have $5 to spend on the things that you want because you don't want to slave yourself away to your bills the rest of your life. Usually I would add up all of my savings to see what is my future going to look like at the end of the year. So I would just sum up the savings that I have, and I will have an idea of what I will be saving at by the end of the year. So let's do this. So here, by the end of the year, I will have at least $720 in my savings.